ভালো ভালো
Oh,
আমার লোক
Dhaka, Bangladesh. Party in Bangladesh continues. Here we have my next adventure on the channel. I'm taking this night cruise for $10 down the river to a city called Barisal. But we will reach Barisal in the middle of the night, and I may be asleep when we reach Barisal. So join me to see if I can wake up in the middle of the night and see if I found some good people, happy people. But first of all, we're going to hit the street of Dhaka because I have to prepare myself for this night cruise. So first, we are looking for a place to eat. And if you have been following me around the world, you know that I love pizza. Pizza and tea is my craving. So we will start with a pizza from Pizza Hut. It's good for your stomach. Maybe not good for your health, but very good for your stomach. You don't get a diarrhea from the pizza here. So bigger. Thank you. I'm back on the cruise. The cruise leaves around 6, or at least my cruise left at 6 or around 6. I don't know if every cruises leaves to Barisal at 6, but mine did. So here we have it. Ooh, some coffee. But you know me, I really love chai tea. So now I'm looking for some tea.
No smoking.
No chewing.
No.
No chewing.
No. Hello. One chai?
Hello.
Hello. Chai. Chai. I don't smoke. Tea. Tea. Yeah. One tea.
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Yeah.
Milk tea, no?
Yeah. One milk tea. One milk tea.
Milk tea, milk tea.
Milk. Yeah. How much? 20. Oh. Assalamualaikum. There.
Fatulla station, Fatulla. ঠান্ডাটা আছে না ঠান্ডাটা খোল খোল
সম্মানিত মুসলিম ফজরের নামাজ লঞ্চের দোতলার সামনে অনুষ্ঠিত হবে।
Oops, I overslept, so I did not get off at Barisal. So this is the next city on the cruise. Join me!
Nu är jag ute härifrån. Jag har ingen aning riktigt. Och här är några som vill säga hej.
Hello,
How are you?
good. And you? Bye bye.
Ja, de var glada att se mig. En vilsen turist. Jag vet inte hur många turister som kommer till den här staden, men jag är här i alla fall. Så ja, vi fortsätter. Nu kommer de tillbaka här.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Yeah, I found a bus to Barisal. So yeah, everything works out in the end.
Så, då har vi täckt upp. Då ska vi försöka betala. Se vad det kostar. Ingen aning. Salam alaikum. Thank you, thank you.
I treated myself with a $45 hotel in Barisal, and of course I also did order some room service. After a long day of adventuring in Bangladesh, I was really craving a hamburger and a Coca-Cola. So I was so happy that I found that in the room service menu. This cost me $9. Perfect. And this hotel, Grand Park Hotel, was the only proper hotel that I found in Barisal. But it was very good. They have a good breakfast included and a pool area that was very nice. But I was here during the dry season, so my mission to go to the river markets was not that great because there were no river market at this point. So I have to skip that plan and go ahead back to Dhaka. But I will not go directly back to Dhaka. I will go to Kutna. First I will take a bus from Barisal to Kutna, and then from Kutna I will take a very long train ride back to Dhaka. And that will be in the next video. Do not miss the next video. Will be a very good train video, bus video, and more interaction with the local people in Bangladesh. Very friendly people in Bangladesh, I can say. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, you know what to do. Ciao! Salam alaikum!